Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we're gonna be taking care of another Christmas present that I got, and it's called Back to the Roots. It's a kitchen herb garden. How cute is that? I know, I'm stoked. It says for best results, place in full sun 8+ hours or under a small grow light. So I'm just gonna put this puppy in my window directly. Gonna do it direct. But if you have a grow light, then you should definitely do this if you don't have 8+ hours of full sun. It gives you basil, mint, and cilantro. So I don't have any of, well, I have basil, but mint and cilantro I would love. So yeah, that provides everything you need. It gives you the pots, the soil, the seeds, and it says, I feel there's a lot of dirt happening, like coming out of this box right now. So dirt is in there. Let's just start the project, shall we? Are you excited? Cool. All right, so I'm gonna start opening the box. I've widened the shot and I brought my kitchen table over just for this video. So you're welcome. I've rearranged my house for you and only for you. So I opened it up and then immediately I was struck with the, it looks like organic mint seeds. Oh, it says mint seeds. And right away, there's just these cans of soil. I don't know, it's pretty, I like that I don't have to like pot anything up. It's already done for me, which is pretty cool. Just three cans of dirt, y'all. How fun is that? So here are the 3 cans. And then here are the basil seeds. And instructions with pictures on it. I love the pictures. See that? Look at all that. So much color. Really draws in the eye, you know what I'm saying? And then our cilantro seeds. Seems pretty simple. Oh, and then there's a little note. A little note from the seller. Aw, that's cute. It looks like it's handwritten too, but it isn't. It's not. I'm not worth that. Okay, so it has garden instructions, so I'm literally just gonna follow these. So the first instruction is plant. Makes sense. So you open the can and slowly add a 1/4 cup of water. Sprinkle 7 to 10 basil seeds and mix into the top 1/4 inch of soil. Repeat for cilantro and mint in separate cans. That's pretty darn easy. So let's get to it. All right, so I'm just going to open this can. I brought my little measuring thing. It's supposed to be 1/2 cup. This is 1/4. So I'll just do 2 of these. But I'm opening up this can, just like any other can. And then there's soil in there, as you can probably see, I think. That's not super blurry, right? So it just looks like regular soil. Just some dirt, can of dirt. What can I say? And then I have this pack of seeds here. I don't know why, I thought this was gonna be way more complex than it is, but it's super easy. Everything's done for you. The soil smells like dirt. It's great. I feel alive right now. So I'm cracking open these basil seeds in this little packet. It's like taco seasoning, you know? It's like similar vibe to that. It's gonna sprinkle this seasoning everywhere. Okay, I can't open it. Okay, I guess it isn't so easy after all. Points off. I had to use scissors. Okay. So first, I'm going to slowly add 1/2 cup of water. All right, so I got my smoothie thing full of water, and I'm just gonna start putting 1/2 cup of water into this bad boy. And it says slowly, so I'm gonna try and do it as slowly as I can. Oh shit, it's dropping everywhere. So I don't know, like slowly, is this slowly enough? I don't know. So that's a 1/4 cup. And then I need 1 more of these to equal 1/2. That is math for you. That is fractions, adding fractions together. And I'm doing this slowly. Here we go. That's probably not slowly at all. It's fine. I think the dirt will know what to do. So then you mix into the top 1/4 inch of soil all of these seeds. I'm guessing this is 7 to 10, I don't know. So I'm just going to carefully dunk them in. I'm sprinkling them across the surface of the soil. It's probably impossible to see. But I'm trying to evenly space them so they're not like murdering each other for resources. You know, I don't want to be that. I don't want it to be that stressful. And then I'm just kind of smushing them into the dirt. And this part's really easy because it's top 1/4 inch of soil, so it's like nothing basically. It's really getting stuck to my finger, isn't it? And that's it. And then I repeat for the other herbs. So I'm just gonna quickly do those, and then I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna place them. That's literally it. Huh. Huh. All right, so right here is where I have my mint, my cilantro, and my basil. And they're in my southwestern facing window, so they're gonna get tons of light throughout the day. See, the sun is already hitting them, and it's the morning right now. So the sun is gonna consistently be hitting them all day. So that's it, guys. It's really so simple. This is called the Back to the Roots Kitchen Herb Garden. For those that are wondering, it's so simple. It provides everything you need. You don't have to go out and get dirt. You don't have to pick out pots. And it doesn't even have drainage holes, and that's part of the system, I guess. Water conserving biochar inside, no drainage holes or transplanting needed. So it provides everything you need. You don't have to worry about watering it with like drainage holes, and you know, there's none of that drama. You don't have to move them from the windowsill or from under the grow light. It's just all its own contained little system. So it's super easy. And then add 2 teaspoons of water to each can every other day, and gradually increase to 2 tablespoons every other day by week 5. So this is gonna be a long process, but you know what? That's what I signed up for. More water may be needed as plants continue to grow. Yes, 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 yes. So I highly recommend it. Back to the Roots Kitchen Herb Garden, all right? So anyway, guys, I hope this video was helpful or entertaining. I would highly recommend getting an herb garden like this, a self-contained one. It's so simple. But you can also just go get seeds on your own if that's more your speed. If you want to pick out your own custom pots and stuff, that's great. Just always make sure that they're directly in a south-facing window and they're getting plenty of light. And they also are thirstier plants, so you have to be sure you're on top of watering them every other day or something in the summer. They're intense. They are intense, but they do provide. If you take care of them, they will take care of you. Anyway, if you have not subscribed, please do. If you have not liked any of my videos, that would be cool. No pressure. Anyway, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.